What's up, man? Mother. No, this is the old one. I just put the plastics back on. Fucking one of the self-check people ran over my fucking red bike in its parking spot earlier. Yeah. Shit's ridiculous. I made some fucking... It was sad. I was just like recording it. I was like, yeah, this is what happens when you park in a parking spot. And then it's like, because everybody knew about it, because I guess like they're trying to find out whose bike it was, and they're paging. One of the girls was like, yeah, they're paging for somebody to get their motorcycle out of the fucking pharmacy. I was like, these fucking dicks running over, and they're like, get this piece of shit out of here, you know, like. But yeah, and then the cops showed up and then gave me crap about having a permit. And I'm just like, it was like they're trying to like just get me on fucking anything. I'm just like, yeah, I would have my motorcycle fucking run over, and you're sitting here trying to just, I don't know, man. I thought it was ridiculous. Like, I was pissed because they're just like, hey, you never dropped your bike? You can't just like pick it back up? He's like, it could be okay. I was like, dude, if I put your truck on its side and then flipped it back up and it still worked, I'd be like, oh, it's okay.
Where's the crack though?
Oh, it's everywhere. There's one there, one there, one there, one there. Fucking Betsy ran over my motorcycle today, so I'm riding this fucking thing.
Oh, it's okay. I fucking